Welcome to the channel. It's nice to have you guys around into this video, and today we'll be talking about how you can make $50 a day answering questions on Quora, whatever. The first way to actually make $50 a day on Quora is to answer questions on Quora, or to ask questions on Quora. Now there is this thing we call the Quora partners. Yes, and basically it's on this page, Quora/Q/Quora partners updates. Basically, you get information on everything you need to know about being a Quora partner. So by being a Quora partner, you earn a commission when people provide questions and then you give answers to the questions, or when you ask questions and people provide answers to those questions. It's all about, I think, building enough engagement on the platform, and that's where people earn a commission. The thing is, the Quora partner program, the last time I checked, it is invite only, so not a lot of people get access to it. But if you have access to it and then you ask questions or you provide answers to questions regularly, you have a pretty great chance of actually making a sizable amount of cash a day here, and that's that. But the second way to actually make an income on Quora is also to answer questions. But this time around, you're answering specific questions. Now, a lot of people go on Quora to ask for quite a lot of questions. Now, let's see some of those questions. Let's just open a new tab, and yeah, we're going to be talking about. Let's just search for something here. Best earphones. Now, let's not just go their way. Best web hosting Quora. That's the trick. You want to get Quora specific questions. That way you only follow those questions, and basically only people ask those questions, you get to provide answers to those questions. And this is it. What is the best web hosting provider for personal website? This is actually a very fitting one. And this person comes on Quora to ask a question, and the person is really looking for an answer. So all you need to do is to provide an answer and then do something else. In a previous video, we talked about Amazon affiliate marketing, but in that course, I did an affiliate marketing course. The link is in the description, so if you like to watch the course, that's beautiful. So affiliate marketing is all about you selling someone else's products for a commission. But in this case, answering Quora questions, we wouldn't be promoting Amazon affiliate products. Yeah, you could promote Amazon affiliate products, but the suggestion here is maybe you promote higher ticket product, because anyone who has a question like this is probably in the mood to buy and is ready to buy. Now, let's say the question on web hosting. Now, there are many questions you could provide answers to on Quora: health related questions, relationship related questions, and so many others. But we're going to be focusing on web hosting in this video. Now, web hosting program. Now, you have the Bluehost affiliate, and if you, let's say you answer this question by, Bluehost is one of the best, then you basically write a detailed review of why you think Bluehost is the best hosting provider. By having an affiliate link in it, if that person, now the thing is, even if a person asks a question, a lot of times people go on Quora and then they are looking for people who might have asked similar questions to theirs, and they really might not ask a question if they get the answer on another person's questions. So that's the thing. You might not just get a commission from the person making a purchase through your link. You could also get purchase when other people who are looking for answers to the same question purchase the same product via your link. So we're coming to web hosting here. You talk about the Bluehost. You earn a $65 commission when someone signs up for an hosting account on Bluehost. That's amazing. And then you talk about the Namecheap affiliate. You find the SiteGround. Let's take a look at the SiteGround affiliate also, and then take a look at how much they are willing to pay. When you refer 1 to 5 sales a month, you earn $50. When you earn 6 to 10 sales a month, you earn $75 per sale. You just continue to see. When you refer 20 sales per month, you make $100 per sale. Imagine making $100 per sale on 20 referrals. That's amazing. That's so cool. And then you have the ClickJunction. Now, ClickJunction has quite a number of different options. Now, this one is actually about cars and trucks, and then you find so many other affiliate programs. All you just need to do is to come here, then search for a keyword, let's say health, and then you get a list of advertisers who are actually selling related products, and then you refer a buyer to those products, and you earn a commission. People are on QUORA to look for answers to questions and to get suggestions on what to buy, what to do. You being there for them makes it pretty easy. The secret is actually you getting questions as soon as they drop. Now, what you do is this: you follow some communities. Now, if you're someone who knows a lot about programming, you follow such communities. If you know a lot about web and blogging, you follow such communities. So that as soon as questions drop, all you need to do, you get this little dot that shows up there, and then you look for the questions that come up last, and then basically you provide answers to them as soon as those questions drop. That is one of the fastest ways to actually get in front of many views and then earn commission from it. So tell me if you derive value from this video. Tell me if you like this video, and if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. So thank you very much for being here. I'll see you in the next one.